We needed this win to build our momentum, and this momentum must continue. You guys will understand. The insurance is a winning team. So insurance are champions, and we will be able to build the team to a level where the entire Africa now knows that we are back. Yeah. So you guys have to keep that momentum. All we need to do is to listen to the coach and play to instruction. Be disciplined.
Okay. See now, I only want striker what if he's here.
It's a relief for all of us, the fans of Bendel Insurance and for Bendel Insurance. 2 draws and 1 loss is not where we want to be. And this match was a win, a must win for us. And I'm happy that the god of soccer was with us in the last minute and we were able to score the goal. A lot of our players are out. For some times I've been out of the team because of the political issues that we've had. My first time of coming out to watch them, and I'm seeing that a lot of our players, some are in Ethiopia, some are in different African countries. So I'm happy that the exodus of players did not affect the coaching crew. Monday is still there, so and I know what he can do. So I'm sure in the coming days, Insurance will bounce back. As the chairman of the club, obviously, we will make sure Insurance is the team that we want it to be, no matter the political difference. I'm happy. I'm really happy that they needed win, we got it, and this is going to be a moral boost for the players. This win will help them to stabilize in the league. At the time, as a fan, I was worried, but 20 minutes to the end of the game, they picked again, and the pressure was more on the Shooting Stars' end. So it's a good win. And like I said, Bendel Insurance now is returning back to drawing board to be work in progress. We took it to a height where they could nobody could beat them. They were unbeaten in a full season, and they broke the jinx of getting of winning FA Cup after 43 years. That was how we took Bendel Insurance before politics came in. Now we are back, and Insurance will return to its winning waves.